Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a revamp video tutorial. This is my tangled wig. The neck region is very tangled. This is the front part of the wig, the closure part. It is also very tangled. And this is how the wig looks like after revamping and treating the wig. You can see how coily this wig looks like, and if you touch it, it is very soft and smooth. This video is a two-in-one video. Number one, how to revamp the hair, and secondly, how to treat and maintain the hair. These are the products I will be using today. These ones in the front are for revamping and the ones in the back are for treating the hair. The first step you shouldn't miss is to comb the hair. Please, you need to comb the hair. Sorry, I did the combing off camera, but please make sure you comb the hair. Now I'll pour my hot water, not too hot, not too cold. Just dip your wig inside. This is the shampoo I'll be using, Tresemme Smooth and Silky. It contains vitamin C and green tea, which is good for frizzy hair and will also add shine to your hair. Please, I want you to listen attentively. Pay good attention to details. You can screenshot and also jot if possible. At the end of this video, if you have any question, you can drop your comments because I will be replying all comments. See how dirty the water is, and that is because I use warm water. Warm water will dissolve the dirt and the buildups in the hair. Because of how dirty the wig is, I'm still going to re-shampoo the hair. You need to be very gentle while washing the hair because the wig is very fragile. Please don't wash it like clothes. Just do it the way I'm doing it now. So now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I would make sure the water is clean before I proceed with my conditioner. You can see the water is becoming brighter. During this step, make sure the shampoo is out before you proceed with conditioner. I'll proceed by detangling the hair. You need to be gentle as possible. Don't rough handle the hair. Please comb it gently. After detangling the hair, don't worry if you have hair breakage. It is normal. But when the breakage is much, that is when there is problem. I will go in with my conditioner, Tresemme Flawless Coils. It contains coconut essence, which will help to lock in moisture. I'll go ahead and add hot water. I'm not mixing cold water this time. It's just hot water. Not too hot though. I'll add more conditioner. I like to be generous about this conditioner. I don't manage conditioner, so also do the same. I'll allow the conditioner to soak for 5 minutes before rinsing it off. This is about 5 minutes now, so I'm just going to rinse off the conditioner. This is another step. Assuming you have foundations or concealer on the hair, get a brush, brush it gently in upward motion. And assuming you have glue on it, you will need not just brush, you will need spirit to clean up the glue. After using this hair conditioner, you don't need fabric softener, you don't need any other thing, you are good to go. Just make sure you rinse your hair thoroughly. This is the point where you detangle the hair. Assuming you didn't detangle the hair after applying your shampoo, this is the best time to detangle the hair. Please don't skip the step. Use a wide tooth comb at first, then you proceed with this brush I'm using right now, or any wide toothbrush. Please don't comb your hair when it is wet. I mean when you are still washing your hair, please don't comb the hair. At this point, we are done with revamping. Assuming you are not treating the hair, you are totally done with revamping. Just hang your hair somewhere and dry it and you are good to go. So guys, for this treatment, I'll be using Karatin hair mask. You can see I just bought it new. It contains natural plant essence. What this hair mask does is to nourish and repair damaged and coarse hair. So I'll be adding 1 spoon. Next is 1 cup of coconut oil. I have 3 reasons why I'm adding coconut oil. 1, for lice prevention. Peradventure there is any lice in the hair, the oil will make them come out. 2, smooth hair. If there is still any tangles, the oil will smooth them out. And lastly, for shiny hairs. Next is a spoon of castor oil, which is good for hair treatment. Mix your ingredients very well. Mix. After mixing, I realized that my mask is very small, so I doubled everything. 1 spoon each. Make sure you apply the mask generously into the hair. So guys, I'm done applying the mask. Now I'll comb and detangle the hair. I'll make sure there is no any tangled or tied knots in the hair. By the time we are done combing, we are going to put the hair inside a nylon before we put it inside a Ziploc bag. I'll go ahead and put it inside the Ziploc bag. After this, I'll just proceed to steam the hair. The next thing to do is to boil some water, very hot water, for steaming the hair. You can see the water is very hot. Go ahead and put your wig. Please be careful here so you don't burn yourself with hot water. I'm using this method because I don't have an electric steaming cap. So if you have an electric steaming cap, please don't hesitate to use it. So I'll just let this sit for 1 hour. This is about 5 hours. The reason is because I was running late to work and I couldn't wait for an hour, so I had to leave it. So let's open the bag. This is the hair. You can't imagine how smooth and soft this hair is now. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, you should be able to revamp and treat your wig by yourself and even revamp other people's wig. Yes, so just take this class or this video very serious. So guys, we are going to rinse out the marks Yes, make sure you rinse the wig thoroughly. Look at the neck region. You can see it's no longer tangled again. The wig is back to life now. So now I'll brush it a little bit. This is the wig. Oh my god, I can't believe this is my wig. So lastly, I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioning milk. This is what I do. I mix this leave-in with some water. I poured it inside a water bottle, then add some water. Sprinkle small amount to the hair. Massage it all over the hair. I know some of you don't know the work of this leave-in conditioning milk. Don't worry, I got your back. 1, it makes the hair to be very coily. The more you apply it, the more your hair becomes coily. Secondly, it detangles the hair. So now I'm just going to brush the hair and keep it somewhere to dry. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please help me and like it. And if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, and do not hesitate to share this video with your loved ones. And lastly, before this class is over, drop your comments. Even if you don't have any question, just drop me a love emoji. Thanks for watching.